what I've made. Alarm clock that show you the exact time. All you need is in the description, and the code is there, and the connection is there too. So how to upload the code? Just plug the esp32 to the laptop and simply go to forthonny and then paste the code and change the SSID in the 4th line on the code to your Wi-Fi name, and then change the password in the 5th line in the code to your Wi-Fi password, and then upload the file to main on the esp32. And how to use it, you ask? If you did all that right, if you will plug the esp32 to a power source, you will able to see the time and the date, and every 2 minutes the bottom line will change to the alarm clock status. By the way, the time is set to Miami. If you want to set the alarm clock, all you have to do is turn the clock on, and to do that, you will need to press the middle button 4 seconds, and that will turn the alarm on and off. And after you will turn on the alarm, you will need to click the middle button again, and then right and left buttons are for get the time higher or lower, and press the middle button again for setting the minutes, and then press again to go back to the main phase. And after the alarm will play, you will have the option to click the middle button for snoozing for 30 seconds. After you will snooze and get up, you can turn off the alarm by click the middle button 4 seconds again. Thank you for watching.